Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2015 Honda Civic EX. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power mirrors, locks, and windows with an automatic driver's side window. This vehicle has a sunroof up top and seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It also has AM and FM radio stations, a CD player, USB and HDMI inputs, smartphone connection, heated seating, and many more great features.